To put gift card money on Venmo, you first need to have a Venmo account and the gift card you want to add funds from. Start by opening the Venmo app and logging into your account. Once you are logged in, tap on the menu icon, which is usually 3 horizontal lines, and then select the Settings option. In the Settings menu, scroll down and select the Payment Methods option. This will take you to a list of your currently linked payment methods, such as your bank account or credit card. To add your gift card, select the Add Payment Method option at the bottom of the screen. From the list of available payment methods, select the gift card option. You will then be prompted to enter the gift card information, including the card number, expiration date, and security code. Make sure to enter the information carefully and correctly, as incorrect information may prevent the gift card from being added. Once you have entered the gift card information, select the Add Card option. Venmo will then attempt to verify the gift card and add the funds to your account. This may take a few seconds, so be patient. If the gift card is successfully added, you will see the funds in your Venmo account and can use them to make payments or send money to friends. It is worth noting that not all gift cards can be added to Venmo, so you may encounter some limitations. Additionally, some gift cards may have restrictions on how the funds can be used, so be sure to check the terms and conditions of the gift card before attempting to add it to Venmo. To ensure a smooth process, make sure your gift card is activated and has sufficient funds. Also, be aware that Venmo may charge a small fee for adding gift card funds to your account, so be sure to check the fees before adding the gift card. By following these steps, you can easily add gift card money to your Venmo account and start using the funds to make payments or send money to friends. Remember to always follow best practices and be mindful of any fees or limitations associated with adding gift card funds to your Venmo account.